diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, coming at you to share a brand new artist introduction today. Now, I am so excited to share this with you, you guys, because Wendy Marquis, this brand new artist from Distracted by Diamonds, lives about 8 miles from my house, and so she is local to me. I have seen her work all over where I live, and I'm so excited to share it with you today. Let's get into this. Now, I first met Wendy Marquis when I went to a really fun cocktails and painting event at her studio. Maybe it might have been a few years back now. And you guys, I discovered at this workshop that I am not an artist as much as I would like to think that I am. But Wendy was so kind. We had so much fun. I went with my friends Brittany and Laura, and it was a blast. And of course, I got to encounter some of Wendy's work when I was there. And this was before my affiliation doing licensing with Distracted by Diamonds. But you know how you file things away in the back of your mind, and so I did. And so when I started licensing, I thought of Wendy. We're here today to celebrate the launch of the second design. This is so exciting. Wendy Marquis is actually from Pittsburgh originally. She moved to Montana in about 2006. She attended the School of the Museum of Fine Arts in Boston and graduated with a BFA from the University of Arizona. That's super cool. Part of her artist statement says, "When I discover an ancient truck, a barn, or grain bin, I dream about the history and family story that lies within its old bones. To me, these machines and structures are as much a part of the Montana landscape as the crops in the field. These vehicles and historic structures represent man and his connection to the land." I think if you guys are lovers of rural landscapes, you're gonna love and really connect with Wendy's work. Now, this fabulous design is called Sweet Pea. I'm so excited about this, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a 62 by 75 centimeter round drill canvas. Oh my gosh, I'm delighted. Of course, I've got so much light coming in my windows. It's so sunny today. There's a lot of glare, but I'll take you out for a long view so you can see this a little better. So here's our usual inventory sheet with a little statement from Distracted by Diamonds. This one has 38 colors. Love it. And of course, a little bit of the original artwork, a little thumbnail, and the artist's name there. Let's keep unrolling. Now, you guys, my favorite part of the image is that this truck's license plate says Sweet Pea. And I was wondering, how is Distracted by Diamonds going to render this so that you can read Sweet Pea? They totally did. I can totally read the Sweet Pea on the license plate. I'm thrilled about that. I'm absolutely thrilled about that. All right, now cool side story about this, and I'll confirm with Wendy, but I kind of wonder if this piece wasn't created as a poster entry for a local arts festival near me called the Sweet Pea Festival. We have down at the bottom, of course, a whole field of sweet peas, and that's kind of the theme of the festival. But how cute is this, that the truck's name is also Sweet Pea? I would love a big red truck called Sweet Pea. That looks amazing. Look at that. All right, now, if you purchase a Distracted by Diamonds, there are some things that you should know. I'll take you on a little tour. You've got dual canvas legends on the right and left, one down at the bottom, one up top. This is poured glue, of course, so you don't have to worry about your glue rivering up or any of that. So Distracted by Diamonds uses a very high quality canvas fabric that's really thick. So it may want to roll up on you at first, but the great thing about it is once you roll it backwards like that and get to working on it, it flattens itself out really, really quickly. Let's take a peek at the glue here. Wonderful. The cover sheet's not sticking, none of that. Isn't that so gorgeous? I love this wood grain background, and of course, this adorable, adorable truck named Sweet Pea. Now, of course, like I said, I'll take you out for a long view so you can see the whole thing. Those flowers are gonna be so much fun. All right, let's take a peek at the drills. Maybe I'll just set my little sweet pea over there. So this kit comes with a basic toolkit, which has a 4-placer, pink wax, small white boat, blue pen, basic but also everything you need. And then, how cool is this? This came with a little storage box. And if you own a number of Distracted by Diamonds canvases like I do, you may eventually collect enough to kit up a whole canvas. And I'm probably there at this point, to be honest, which is awesome. I'm so excited that this has pre-bag drills. Now, pre-bag drills do enable me to start every canvas basically immediately, which means I have no less than 13 projects going at the same time, but really convenient too. So we do have a lot of white, obviously, because we have this fabulous wooden barn wall going on behind Sweet Pea back here. So we're gonna need a lot of white for that. We've got 3 grown man size bags of 5,200. Then of course we have our fabulous shades of red. Lots of red, because Sweet Pea is red, and some pink, you know. All the shading and dark colors. Probably some purple too for our shaded areas and for our sweet peas. Sweet peas are so beautiful, you guys. Leave in the comments below what your favorite summer flower is. Do sweet peas grow where you live? What are kind of your local spring and summer flowers? Some beautiful shades of blue. Oh, look at that 550. Royal purple. That is fabulous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at our greens. Green, that beautiful spring fresh green that comes up early in the summer. Probably in the spring where you are, but more like early in the summer where I live. That color always reminds me of a brand new summer. I love it. Then we've got a little 310, 154, 844, some neutrals there, some oranges. Oh my gosh, this canvas is going to be so much fun. It's like a summer rainbow of colors. I'm so excited. Okay, let's see where some of them go. This is gonna be great. Oh my gosh. This turned out so well. I got so excited, I almost forgot to tell you guys that I am affiliated with Distracted by Diamonds in the area of artist licensing. So I worked on the licensing for this piece, but I don't work with them in any other capacity. And when I show you Distracted by Diamonds canvases, they're always from my own stash and my own purchases. But I want to let you guys know about that relationship as we go along here. All right, let's look at where some of these fabulous colors go. So of course, we are going to have, like I said, a lot of white up at the top because we have this fantastic barn wall going on. Now, when I take you in for a closer view, you will see some training wheels around the white drills. I'm working on The Swans right now by Frank William Brangwyn, and that one also has some guide circles. I am not having any issues with the guide circles showing because in my experience, the guide circles are small enough to be hidden by the drill completely. So I do want to let you guys know that those are there, but my experience has been really good. Okay, so of course we're gonna have our 5,200 all up at the top here. I'm betting our peach kind of goes, yeah, I'm betting our peach is kind of some of our planks here, where some of the bare wood is showing, of course, because this is an old barn wall, I'm betting. And then our truck window, blues and purples. Let's see what some of these reds are. Oh my gosh. This reminds me of home when I look at this image. I grew up on a farm in eastern Montana, and to this day, there are a lot of these rusty old trucks sitting around, parked in various places. And when I see them, I always think of my grandpa, who was the kindest, most wonderful human who ever existed, I'm pretty sure. So I always get a lot of warm, fuzzy feelings when I think about old barns and trucks and riding around in the fields with him and hitting potholes and whacking our heads on the roof of the truck, trying to chase down cows. Oh my gosh, so many great memories. But this whole truck, the main color here is our favorite 666, bright, vibrant red. That is gonna be so much fun, you guys. And of course we have a little bit of pink because red is often highlighted with pink, you may have noticed. So our shading is some of that rusty red. That's gonna be so awesome, you guys. Our little sweet pea license plate here is going to be 518, this fabulous teal color. And then down here are our fantastic little sweet peas. Let's see, we're gonna have some pinks, of course. There's so much confetti down here. I'm not even sure that I could pull out all the colors that we're gonna be working with because I would be here all day. Fuchsia. And of course we have some purples too. Some of that. So awesome. Oh my gosh, I am absolutely thrilled with how this turned out. Now, the excitement is not over. I'm gonna take you out for some long views. I'm also going to take you out on a little tour of Wendy's studio and let you have a little look around. So I'll end my voiceover portion here. I hope you have a fantastic week. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Okay, so Wendy was saying that she got an honorable mention at the Sweet Pea Festival for Sweet Pea, which we're about to unbox over here. This is so exciting. I'm so excited I get to watch you open it. You see your reaction.
I'm so excited. All the diamonds.
Yes, all the diamonds, and there's some storage containers there.
Oh my god.
Doesn't it look awesome?
So cool.
I love, right? And don't you love how you can read the sweet pea?
Yes.
You can actually read the sweet pea.
And then here's
Fantastic.
a card of that same image. So you can see it a little more clearly.
Oh, awesome. I love it. Oh my gosh. Do you have this stuff in your shop? I saw you have a shop online. Do you have cards in your shop?
Yes, on my website, wendymarquis.com.
Awesome.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, what do you think? Do you love it?
I think it's amazing. I love the
Awesome.
purple in there.
Yeah, it rendered really nicely, I think.
And the white wood in the background. And all the sweet peas
Yes.
on the ground, growing up the bumper.
Yes.
This was super fun to paint.
I bet it was.
Yeah.
I bet
Want
it
to see
was.
the other one?
I want to see the other one. Here's
This
True
is
Grit.
Grit.
Oh my
It
god.
seems like it has more detail.
It's big. Oh my god.
Yeah, and so this is
Wow.
Indian paintbrush in the front.
I love. Those are gonna be fun colors.
Yeah. And the fence posts, clouds.
Fantastic.
And then I'll show you the card from that one.
Yes, I'd
I
love to
think.
see
It's
that.
kind of fun to see it more clearly.
All these amazing barns too.
Thank you. Oh yeah, here it is.
Oh, awesome. That's so great.
And that painting was big. That painting was like
Yeah, I
2
actually
feet
think
by 4 feet.
I think I actually saw it when I was in here
Oh yeah.
a few years ago when I
Yeah.
was here. Those turned out so awesome. I'm so excited. Thanks for letting me film your reaction.
Oh, you're welcome.